Hello everyone, my name is Vaibhav and I'm going to be a trainer for this session. Today, we are going to discuss character frequency interview question. This question is 80 to 90% times asked in the interviews nowadays. The reason behind it, in this question, we are going to use some collection. We are going to do some iterate for that collection as well. And we are going to showcase the interviewer that you are aware of all these concepts properly. Okay, so first let me start with the question description. So the question is very simple. First, interviewer is going to give you one string and they want the output like this. They want each character frequency present in this particular string. So as you can see in the tech Elliptica, T is present 2 times, E is present 2 times, C is present 2 times. So like that, the interviewer would like to know like how many times each character is present in it. Other formats for this type of question can be like how many maximum characters present in that particular string, which maximum characters are present in the string, how many minimum characters are present in the string, what are all the duplicate characters present in the string, what are all the non-duplicate characters present in the string. So there can be a lot of formats for this particular question, but yeah, the logic is quite similar. The logic is same. Just you need to tweak a little bit, in the last, just to get the minimum, maximum of duplicate characters. That's the only thing. Okay, so first, let me discuss about which data structure or which type of, collection we are going to use in this particular interview question. Okay, so what do you guys think? What type of collection you guys can use here? As you can see, we are using TECHLIPTA. So that means every character is unique character which we are using, but the value against these characters can be duplicate or can be some single. So the best fit collection for this type of question is map. Let me tell you about map. So map is like a dictionary object. So as we know, in the dictionary, we have some words, we have some values. Basically, in Java words, we called it like key value pairs. Okay, so key is going to be unique. So here we have TECHLIPTA. These are the unique keys present as a character, and the values associated with these keys, like 2, 2, 2, 1. These are the values which is associated. And I will also explain you how these keys, these values coming into play and how the logic is going to work. Okay. Okay, so let's move to the logic part. So let's understand the logical part of this particular question. So I have taken this specific string with me. And first thing is we have to convert this string into a character array. So as you can see, I can use 2-char array, which is present in the string. So if we are going to use 2-char array, it is going to return us the character array for that particular string. I will also explain you in the code. I will also write the code for this particular interview question. So we will discuss that time all about the question, all about the methods. Okay. Now, whatever array we are receiving, okay, I'm just mentioning it here in the blocks. So every character is present in the block here. And in this block, you can see the first character T, then the second block we have ECS. So this is how the array looks like. Okay. And I'm taking a map here. So as we know, map is a key value pair. So there is nothing is present. The map is completely empty. Now, the next step is we are going to iterate this character array. So how we are going to iterate this character array? For that, we can use for each loop. That will, I will also explain that particular part in the coding time. So during the iteration, when the first character comes in picture, first we have to check whether T present in the map or not. As we know earlier, the map was empty. So obviously the answer will be no. So if it is no, in that case, we are going to add T is equal to 1 inside the map. In order to add new values inside the map, we can use put method. I will show you later how to use put method. when I will write code for this particular assignment. Now, for the next particular character, which is E, again, the same question comes in mind. Is E present in the map or not? And the answer is no. So we are going to add E again with the value as 1. Again, we are going to ask for C. We are going to ask for H. Now, again, whenever we are going to ask for E. So this time, E is already present in the map. And this time, we are going to increase the value by 1, which is associated with the E key. So in that case, earlier, the E value was 1, but now the E value is 2. In the same way, I'm going to check for other characters as well, like L. So here L is 1. Again, the L is present, then its values will be 2. I is 1, P is 1, T is again 2, I is again 2, C is again 2, and A is again 1. So this is the complete iteration, and this is the output which interviewer is looking for. Okay, so now let me create one class. And in this class, I am creating a main method. And first, I'm taking an input string, which is tech elliptica in our case. All right. Now, guys, first we have to create map object. So I'm creating map here. And as a key, I'm going to take character, and as a value, I'm going to take integer. So this is how the map looks like, because map contains character, key and values. So here as a key, we are going to take as a character, and we are going to take integer as a value. Okay, and I'm giving this particular map as a character frequency, and I'm going to create an object as hash map. Okay, so here, this is the object of hash map we have created, and the character frequency is the variable name. Now, I'm going to create my character array. So the method name is toCharArray. This method present in the string. So once we are going to use toCharArray, it will return character array, and I'm going to save that character array inside a variable. Now, in the for loop, we have to iterate this character array. So every time when I'm iterating it, we are getting character as ch here. And now the magic comes here, the logical part comes here. That is, if char frequency dot contains key. So this is the method where we are going to check whether key is present in the map or not. So here, if we are checking if key is present, else in the else part, it will be key is not present. So first, let me write the else part. So else part will be character frequency dot put, and here we are adding ch as a key, and we are adding value as 1, which I have shown you during my presentation. Now I'm coming back to the if condition. Now when the character is present inside the map, in that scenario, we are going to use character frequency dot get, and this is the character, and here I'm going to get the value. So this is the value for that character frequency as of now. Now we are going to add 1 into that. So I am adding 1, I'm increasing the value by 1, and I'm again putting that value with the increased value. So this particular statement will add the added value inside the same map, but the value will be changed. Now, if I'm going to simply print this, as a result, you guys gonna see the complete frequency map with every character. So here we are going to get P is 1 time, A is 1 time, C is 2 time, T is 2 time, E is 2 time. Okay, so this is how we can simply create this type of, we can simply finish this type of assignments. Apart from this, let's talk about some other versions. So sometime it happens interviewer is asking you to write these characters in a sorted manner. So first they want like B, then after they want like C, and then after they want like E. So they want it in an alphabetical manner. Okay. So in that case, you just need to change here hash map into tree map. So tree map is one of the map factor which converts your key values in a sorted manner. So this time, if I'm going to run my code, I will get my code in a sorted way. It's like A is equal to 1, C is equal to 2, E is equal to 2. So you can see that key is present in the sorted manner. Okay. If they want you to same as present inside the string provided, in that case, we can use linked hash map. So in case of linked hash map, it will give you value in the ordered way. So in which order we are adding values inside the map. In that way, that value will be present. So let me run it one more time. Okay, so here you can see that first T is coming, then E is coming, then C is coming, then H is coming. As you can see here, T is here, E is here, C is here, H is here. So this is how the complete iteration will work, and linked hash map will give you in an ordered manner all the values. All right, you can also provide like which all are the values are duplicates. So in order to showcase that, we have to actually iterate the character frequency map. So in order to iterate the character frequency map, we have to use character frequency dot entry set. And here we have to create one object of entry. So I'm using character dot integer, and I have created one for each loop to iterate this complete character frequency. Now, if I'm going to use entry.getValue, and if this value is more than 1, that means those values are the duplicate values. I can simply sys out those characters. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it into a single line. So here I'm giving space. So if you guys can run this, in the second line, TECLI, these all are the characters which is duplicate. So obviously T is 2 times in the string, E is 2 times in the string, C is 2 times in the string, L is 2 times in the string, and I is 2 times in the string. So all those characters which is more than 1 time will be present here. Those character will be the duplicate in this string. All right, so I think this is what interview is looking for in the interview. And if you are able to write this complete logic, if you are able to explain this complete logic, then I think it is very easy for you to crack that interview. This is one of the advanced level questions present in the interview mind. All right, guys, we'll come up with the next question very soon. And if you like this video, just subscribe us and like us.